Hi, I'm Lou and I'm on a mission to build full-size winter doors for my wife's Polaris RZR. She has these doors already, and for my first prototype I'm going to build a window to go on top. My goal is to hold in the warmth from that heater I just installed. I'm using 3/4 conduit, plexiglass, and a pipe bender. I'll model the frame with this copper tubing since it's easier to bend. So I'm starting with the pipe here behind the door, and I'll attach to this pipe, then up, over, back down, just inside this, and then finally down to the hinges. Now I'll bend my conduit to match. There it is, and I'll cut off the extra with an angle grinder. First you don't succeed, bend, bend again. Okay, with a lot more work, I finally got it bent to where I want it. I've connected it to the door with hose clamps there and down there, and it opens like this. Trace my door frame onto my plexiglass with a Sharpie, and I'll cut it out with an angle grinder. To work on final shaping, I've got the plexi hung from clamps. My goal is to get it just inside the tubing all the way around, so I'll need to cut off a little more in places like this. I got the panel exactly where I want it, and now I'm drilling holes every 6 inches and installing wire to hold the panel in. There's the door installed, and let's pull off the film. Wow, that came out great. You can't even tell it's there. The RZR isn't airtight and neither is the door, but if you want to block a little more airflow, you can use pipe insulation. It looks like that, and they make a much better seal. Thanks for watching. I'll put a link to my homemade cargo case, my seat slider installation, and my heater installation videos in the description below.